Hello and welcome to another Adverity Platform guide. In this video, we're going to show you how you can share data you collected in Adverity with BI tools using our Data Shares feature. But first, what is Data Shares? Data Shares lets you access Adverity data directly from the BI tool you use to analyse and visualise your data. With Data Shares, you can specify which dimensions or metrics from each data source are shared with different users across different BI platforms, letting you easily manage data access and get the right information to the right people at the right time. To create a data share, first navigate to Data Shares in the Platform navigation menu, then click Create Data Share in the top right of the platform. First, you have to give the data share a name. Let's call it Data Share Example for now. Next, you can specify the time range of the data that we want the BI tool to have access to. Data within the selected time range will be included in the data share. In the Dimensions field, you can select all the dimensions you want to include in the data share. Let's select the account name for now and move on to the next field. If you want, you can add a dimension filter. In this example, we could exclude certain account names. For now, let's continue without applying a filter. In the Metrics field, you can select all the metrics you want to access from the BI tool you're using. Let's select clicks and impressions for this example. Now, you can click the Data Preview button to see an example of the data included in the data share. If you're happy with the configuration, close the preview and click Create. You can see that the data share gives us automatically generated access credentials consisting of a URL, a username, and a password. You can use these credentials in your BI tool to finalize the setup. To do this, go to the BI tool you're using and select the OData connection type in the BI tool. Next, enter the credentials provided by Adverity. This looks a little different in each BI tool. You can find detailed step-by-step instructions for setting up data shares in each of the supported BI tools in the Adverity documentation. In Tableau, for example, enter the data shares URL in the Server field, select Username and Password in the Authentication field, and enter your username and password. As another example, in Power BI, enter the data shares URL in the OData connection field. Select the basic authentication type and enter your username and password. And you're done. You'll now be able to see and visualize your data table in your BI tool. And that's how to configure data shares. Thanks for watching. For more detailed information on configuring data shares, be sure to check out our Adverity documentation.